Thank you. So hello everyone. As you know,
Be confident.
sorry. So hello everyone. As you know, I'm Yugal. So today I am talking about my favorite series, Himlands. And so story starts. I was sitting and creating my story, and a notification came in my phone, and I checked the phone, and what I saw that the new Himlands video has arrived. So I went to the YouTube and watched the episode. And what I see in the episode what I watched in the episode I watched in the episode I saw that the Smarty Pie get trapped by some people that make slaves, and he frees the Smarty Pie like this. I can't even move. I can't blink also. What's that timer? 24 hours? I think in the 24 hours, the bomb beside me would get blast. And his friend named Ezio going from behind and don't know. And he was singing a song. Hum chale chale. So the Smarty Pie called him, Ezio, Ezio. So Ezio looked at behind. He was on a hill. He was on a hill and seeing. सर नीचे देखने को क्या कहते हैं?
Down.
He was seeing down.
Bottom.
He was saw on the bottom of the hill. What is he? Smarty Pie is. He saw what he saw. Smarty Pie is trapped by some trappers. He was trapped by some trappers, and he is going there. And Smarty Pie asked, "Help me, please! I can't even move. And what is this timer in front of my PC?" So the Ezio said that this is a timer. In 24 hours, if the Himlands warrior don't check your PC and move W, as you know, with the W, the people and the person who is inside of the game move on the front. And he said that you can't move when a Himlands member come to you and check your PC and move and try to move. You cannot do anything. So he said that do you know a person who is Himlands warrior? So the Yes Smarty Pie said that yes I know. You Falana ji and Dream Boy. So the Ezio said that फलाना जी तो टपक गया, हम दोनों ही है, और मैं महाराष्ट्र में, ड्रीम बॉय गुड़गांव में, मुंबई में ही. I am in Maharashtra and I am in Maharashtra, Dream Boy in Gurgaon. And the Yes Smarty Pie said, so you have 24 hours, you can come in my house. But what was the twist? Yes Smarty Pie is in Himachal Pradesh. And he said that, come and help me. So the Ezio said that, wait for me. And he left the game. After that, Yes Smarty Pie, he was sitting and thinking. Now nobody would save me. Ezio is not in Discord. He left the Discord. So I have to enjoy my death. And the last 6 seconds. Sir, in the last 10 seconds. And beside the bombs are blasted, and the Yes Smarty Pie saved by the Ezio and Dream Boy. And the Yes Smarty Pie said that, thank you friends. अगर तुम लोग नहीं आते उन्होंने तो मेरे को छू ही लिया था. And Ezio said that, कोई ना, हम है ना, दोस्त दोस्त के लिए ही होता है. और Yes Smarty Pie said that, thank you Ezio and Dream Boy. आज तो उन्होंने मेरे को छू ही लिया था. Thank you.